Good morning, dear students. Let's start our lesson for today. We're going to talk about divide decimals. Okay, here I have the number 0.42 divided by 0.6. Okay, first of all, I can't have any decimals on the divisor. So what should I do? I have to remove the decimal. How I should remove it? I'm gonna use it to multiply by 10 or 100 or 1000. Okay, and here's the number. Okay, 0.042 divided by 0.6. Okay, here I have to look at the divisor. The divisor is what? 0.6. First of all, I have to look at the divisor, and then here 0.6, it has only one number after the decimal, so I'm gonna do it by 10. Okay, here by 10 and here also by 10. So I'm gonna remove 0.6 by 10. I'm gonna remove it one step to the right, so the divisor will be 6. And here the number will be 4.2. Can I have any decimal in the dividends? Yes, I can have it. It's no problem. But I can't have any decimal here in the divisor place. Okay, let's see our examples. Here again, I have the number 1.4, 3.64. What should I do? I have to multiply the divisor by what here? By 10 again. And what else? And here. So when I have the number, it's like this, divided by 1.4. Okay, here by 10 and here by 10 also. So first of all, I have to look at the divisor. So the number will be what? Here will go one step to the right and here will go one step to the right. So the number will be 36.4 divided by 14. And then I'm gonna do my what? I'm gonna do my long division as usual. So this is table 14. Here 14 by 1, 14 by 2, 14 by 3, and so on. Here 14, 28 and 12 2 and carry up 1, 3 by 1 3 plus 1 4. Okay, and I'm gonna put here how many places I have here? 1 2 3. So here 1 2 3 and the decimal after here from the left 1 2, here 1 2. So the decimal in its place. Okay, here 0, 3 divided by 14, it can be, so I'm gonna put 0. 36 divided by 14, here I can't find 36, but I can find what? I can find 28. So I'm gonna make a circle around 28 and make a circle around 2. I put 2 up and 28 down. 36 minus 28. My sister gonna subtract this. So here 36 minus 28, 16. 16 minus 8, it will be 8, and here will be 2, and here will be 16. 16 minus 8, 8, and then I'm gonna drop down the 4. 84 divided by 14, the answer will be 6. Because 14 by 6 here, 6 by 24, 4 and carry up 2, and 6 by 1, 6 plus 2, it's what? It's 8. Okay, so here I'm gonna put circle here and here. I put 6 up and 84 down and then 0 0 happy face, so the answer will be 2.6. Okay, let's see another example. Here what we should do, here divide it, multiply it, subtract, drop down daddy, mommy, sister, brother, and then drop the decimal point of the dividends when we meet. Okay, when we have the dividend with the dividends, I have a decimal point, I have to put it. When we find a remainder, add 0 and repeat the step again. Let's see كده here. Okay, I have the number here 45 divided by 0.5. So as I said before, I have to look here at the divisor, and then let's start. Here I have to look at the divisor. The divisor here is what? 0.5. I have to get rid of the decimal point, so I'm gonna multiply the number with 10 and with 10. What about this one? I can do it like this: 45 divided by 5 over 10, and then 45 by 10 over 5. Keep, change, flip. So the answer will be 90. But I prefer this way: 45 by 10 and 0.5 by 10. Why I multiply here by 10? Because I can't do anything for the numerator. I can do it in the denominator. So I have to multiply by 10 here and by 10 here. So this number will be 450 divided by 5. So the answer will be 90. Let's see another example. Okay, here I have what? 4.5 divided by 0.5. So what should I do? I look at the divisor. Here the divisor, it's what? 0.5. So I have to get rid of this decimal point. So I have to do what? To multiply by 10 and multiply the other number by 10. So the decimal will move one step to the right. So the number will be 45 divided by 5. It will be 9. And here, first of all, you have to look where you have to look to the divisor. Here it has how many places after the decimal? 2 places. So I'm gonna multiply by 100, and here also by 100, and then after multiply, the decimal will go to the right 2 places. Here 1, 2. So this number will be 44 divided by 7. The answer will be 6. And here again I have what? 2.72 divided by 0.8. Means I have here so 2 places. It will not do anything for me here. I have to look where I have to look at the divisor. Here the divisor, it's one decimal place here. So I have to multiply by 10 to remove the decimal. Here 1, and here the decimal will be go here. So the number will be what? 27.2. Okay, here I have how many places? 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna do like this: 1, 2, and I have the decimal. I have to put it here, and 3. Okay, 2 divided by 8, it can be, so I'm gonna put 0. 27 divided by 8, had 27 in table 8. Here I have to do it table 8, 3. Here 1 by 8 equals 8. 2 by 8 equals 16. 3 by 8 equals 24. 4 by 8 equals 32. And 5 by 8 equals 40. So I'm looking for what? I'm looking for 27. I have here any 27? No, but I have a number less than 27. What is this number? It's 24. So I'm gonna circle 24, and I'm gonna circle 3, and I'll take 3 out and 24 down. 3 by 8, 24. and then I'm gonna subtract 27 minus 24. The answer will be 3. Here and here 0. Okay, I'm gonna drop down the 2. 32 divided by 8. Here I have 32 by 4. So 4 up and 32 down and 0 0. Happy face. So the answer will be 3.4. Okay, let's have here. What should I do? Multiply by 10. Multiply by 10. I'm gonna move one step to the right, one step to the right. The number will be 56 divided by 7. It will be 8. And here I have what? 2 places. Multiply by 100. And here multiply by 100. So 1, 2. It will be 25. And here the decimal place will be after 2 places. It will be here. And then I'm gonna make it as a long division again and do it. The answer will be 12.7. And here after 2 places by 100, and here also by 100. Okay, and the answer will be also long division, and the answer will be 10. Okay, here again divided, multiply, subtract, bring down, and check the answer. Here I have to put the decimal place here. How many places? 1 and decimal 2, 3. So here 1 decimal, don't forget it, 2, 3, and then 2 divided by 23. It can be, so I'm gonna put 0. And here 25 divided by 23. Of course 25 it has only 1, 23. So I'm gonna choose 1 multiply 23. It will be 23, and then subtract, and minus 25 minus 23. The answer will be 2. And then I'm gonna drop down the 3. 23 divided by 23, 1, and here 1, 0. Happy face. Okay, okay, here another example. 9 divided by 7. It has only 1 7. 1 by 7 9. 1 by 7 7. So I'm gonna subtract here 9 minus 7 2, and drop down 2. It will be 22. 22 divided by 7. It will be 3. 3 by 22. 3 by 7 21, minus, and the 21 minus 22 minus 21. The answer will be 1, and here 0. And I'm gonna drop down the 4. 14 divided by 7. It will be 2. 2 by 7. 14, 0 0, and happy face. Okay, here's the difference between how to use the decimal in the subtract. Look here, subtract, I have to put decimal, decimal, decimal. Here multiply, I have to put decimal, decimal, decimal. Here in the multiply, I have to choose to decide how many decimal here in the first row, how many decimal here in the second row, and then the answer will be after 3 decimal. Here, look here, the answer. No, here, it will be here after 3, not here. Okay, and here, let's see. Here I have in the divisor, I have decimal point, so I can't have in the divisor any decimal point. What should I do? I have to remove it. I look at the decimal and how many places after the decimal. It's 2 places, so I have to go 1, 2 to the left, and here the other number I have to multiply also by 100, and this the number 780 divided by 3, and then I'm gonna do it as a long division. Okay, here let's try another example. here I have the number. I want you to get your calculator and try it alone and then check your answer. Okay, here the number. What should I do? I can't have any decimal with the divisor here, so I have to get rid of this. By what? By 10. And here by what? By 10. So here it gonna go one step to the right, and here one step to the right. So I'm gonna make my division house, and the divisor will be 12, and the number will be what? 6.7. Okay. And then how many places I have here? 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna put like this: 1, 2, and the decimal place here, don't forget it, and here again. Here multiply by what? 12. Here, look here, I have, this is very easy, 1 by 12, it's a 12, and 2 by 12, it's 24. Okay, and 3 by 12 is 36, and 4 by 12 and 5 by 12. Okay, 2 by 4 8, and 1 by 4 4, and here 60 2 by 5 0 0 and carry up 1 by 5 5 plus 1 6. Okay, 2 divided by 12, it can be, so I'm gonna put my first 0, and then I'm gonna take here the 26 divided by 12. I can't find 26 here, but I have what number less than 26? It's what? 24. I make a circle around 24, make a circle around 2, and then I'm gonna put 2 up and 24 down, and here 26 after 24 divided minus 24, it will be 2. Okay, and then I'm gonna drop here 27 again it's what? It's 2 multiply 24, and I have here a remainder, it will be 3 is remainder because it's less than the divisor, and I finished here my places. Okay, so the answer will be 2.2. okay, and I want you to do this as a homework. Okay, let's read pause the video and solve the problem and check your work. Okay, here the last one is infinite division. This is very easy. Okay, when I have number like this number, it's right as 5/6. Okay, infinite division, it has no end, and I end it with what? With the decimal places as I need. Okay, here if they told me 5/6 and do it to the nearest, I want to the nearest 100. Okay, so the question will be like this: 5 divided by 6 or over 6, and I want to the nearest 100. Look at this, look here, this is very easy. Okay, they told me what? They told me that they need the answer to the nearest 100. What should I do? I have to put 6 as a divisor here and the 5 inside the house, and then I'm gonna put the decimal place here. Okay, they told me what? Hundreds, so I have to put after hundreds, I use one more 0. So how many zeros after the decimal for the hundreds? 2. I have to use 3 zeros here because I need to what? To approximate to the nearest hundreds. So I need to have another number after hundreds to approximate. So here I have to put, when I see the word hundreds here, so I have to put what? 3 zeros. 1 2 3. this is hundreds only, but I need to put another 0 for the approximation, and then I will start. This is very easy. 5 divided by, and here also I have to put the first number and the decimal, and the second place 3 places. Okay, and here I'm gonna start. 5 divided by 6, it can be, so it will be 0, and then 50 divided by 6, the answer will be 8, and 8 by 6, 48, and 50 minus 48, the answer will be 2, and then I'm gonna drop down the 0, and here I have a new number. 20 divided by 6, it will be 3 by 6, it will be 18. 20 minus 18, the answer will be 2, and then I'm gonna drop down the 0. 20 divided by 6, again it will be another 3, so it can't end. Yes, miss. 3 by 6, it will be 18, and here the answer will be 2, but I finished here. Okay, I have to let this 2 as a remainder, and I finished here because I finished my places. I have here 1 2 3 4 places, and the answer will be 1 2 3 4 places, so the answer will be here 0.833. I need to approximate to the nearest hundred. Where the hundredth place? Here and here. Nothing gonna change, so the number will be 0.83, and that's all. Okay, let's try another one. 3/7. Okay, approximate to the nearest hundreds. Look here, 100, so I have to put to the nearest what? 1000. So here 3, and put the decimal places, and how many places? 1 2 3. Here 1 decimal places, 1 2 3 4. Okay, and then I'm gonna start 3 divided, and I'm gonna write table 7. 3 divided by 7, it can be, so I'm gonna put 0, and take 30 divided by 7. Here I'm gonna look table 7. I have 30, no, I have less than 30, yes. 28 and 4, so 4 by 7, 28. I have to minus 30 minus 28, the answer will be 2. Okay, and I'm gonna drop down another 0. 20 again. 20 divided by 7, here less than 20, it will be 2. I'm gonna check here. I take 2 and 14. 20 minus 14, 6, and I'm gonna drop the last 0. 60 divided by 7, it will be 8, because 8 here 56, and 8 by 7 56, and I have here 4 as a remainder. And okay, here the number 0.428. I need to approximate to the nearest what? Hundreds. Where are the hundreds? Here. Okay, and the number will be 8. 8 is strong or weak? Strong, so it will add 1 to the 2, so the answer will be 0.43. That's all. Okay, let's try another one. 3/4. Okay, 3 divided by 4, nearest tens, so I have to put how many zeros after the decimal? 2 places. Okay, because I need 1 place to approximate. Okay, here 3 divided by 4, the answer will be 0. It can be, so 30 divided by 4, it will be 7. 7 by 4, 28, and then 30 minus 28, it will be 2, and then I drop down 0. 20 divided by 4, the answer will be 5. 5 by 4, here 20, and 0 0, happy face. This is the answer. Okay, I need to approximate to the nearest tens. Here, to the nearest tens, 5. Then 5 will add 0.8. Okay. Okay, I want you to try this. Here, what is the divisor? 3. Here's the 3. Okay, and here 2. Okay, I need to approximate to the nearest hundreds. Okay, what should I do? How many places I have to put? 1, 2, 3 zeros. Okay, and 1 and decimal point. 1, 2, 3, and 2 divided by 3, it can be, so I'm gonna put 0. 20 divided by 3, 6. 6 multiplied by 3, it will be 18. Okay, and here 20 minus 18, it will be 2, and here 0, and I'm gonna drop down the 0. 20 divided by 3, again it will be what? It will be 6 again. 6 by 3, 18, and the minus 20 minus 18, it will be 2. Okay, and here I'm gonna drop down the 0 here. 20 again. 20 divided by 3, it will be 6. 6 by 18, and here I have what? I have 2, and I stop here. Okay, because I finished my places, and so on. Okay, I need to approximate to the nearest, so to the nearest what? To the nearest hundreds. So the number will be 0.666 to the nearest hundreds. Where the hundreds? Place here and here. What should I do? 0.67. That's all. Okay. Okay, what about this? Look here. This is the divisor. The divisor here is what? The divisor here, it has 2 places. So I multiply by 100, and here I'm gonna multiply by 100. So I have no here 3618 divided by 9. I'm gonna start here 3618. I have no decimal, and here 1 2 3 4. Okay, and here table 9. Let's see, 9 9, and by 2 18, and by 3 27, and by 4 36, by 5 by 5 45. Okay, and let's start. 3 divided by 9, 0. It can be 36 divided by 9, 4. 4 by 30 by 9, 36. Okay, 0 0. I'm gonna drop down the 1. 1 divided by 9, it can be, so I'm gonna put 0, and 18 here. 18 divided by 9, 2. So the number will be 402. Okay, this is very easy. Here I want you to do it to the nearest hundreds. Okay, here 8, and here 1. Needs what? To the nearest hundreds. How many zeros I have to put after the decimal? Tell them. 1 2 3. So here 1 decimal place, 2 3. 1 divided by 8, it can be 10 divided by 8, of course. 1 8, it has only 1. 10, it has only 1 8. So I'm gonna put 1. 1 by 8, 8, and I'm gonna subtract here. 10 minus 8, 2, and I will drop down the 0. 20 divided by 8, 20 divided by 8, it will be 2 by 8, 16. 2 and 2 by 8, 16. And then I'm gonna subtract 20 minus 16, it will be 4. And then here 0. And I'm gonna drop down the 0. 40 divided by 8, it will be 5. 5 by 8, it will be 40. And then here 0, 0, happy face. Okay, so I have the number here 0.125. okay, I'm gonna multiply to the nearest hundreds, so it will be 0.13. okay, this number we know it, yes, 1 over 8. I used my friend, yes, here 8 by 120, 8 by 125 and 8 by 125. okay, but here, yes, I have to here 1 by 125 here, or 125, and here 1000, and here 0.125, and approximate to the nearest thousand, it will be 0.13, and that's all. Okay, let's see another example here. Okay, what should I do? By 10. By 10. I want you to solve this as a homework, okay? And check your answer, okay? Here, eight. So the number after decimal, 4.16 divided by 8 here, one step, okay, by 8. So 4.16, and decimal point here, decimal point, and 4 divided by 8, it can be, so I'm gonna put 0. And 41 divided by 8, 8 by 5, it's what? It's 40. So I'm gonna take 5 up and 40 down. Here 5 and 40. Okay, 41 minus 40, it will be 1. And then I'm gonna drop down the 6, it will be 16. 8 by 2, it will be 16. So I'm gonna take 2 up and 16 down, and here minus 0, 0, happy face. I've finished. Okay, thank you. I hope you enjoy your lesson, and I want you to practice more and more, because this is very important lesson. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna see you to Allah next